What's up, YouTube? We back with another test tasting video. Today we're gonna be test tasting.
This. What song you said? Some knows. But yeah, Fruity Pebble Candy Bar. Candy. You get this from Walmart. You can probably get it from other spots too. I got work tomorrow morning, but it'll be fine. I went to my other job. Anyway.
I work in the morning.
Yeah, me too. I work at 9 o'clock to 3. I'm gonna do 9 to 3 tomorrow. Maybe 9 to 5. We'll see. No, because Call of Duty, never mind. But yeah, so I'm gonna just get off and you get off 9 to 4.
So this video we're gonna be test tasting the Fruit Loops Fruity cereal bar, right? Is that what it
Fruity
says?
Pebbles.
No, these are not. These are not cereal bars. These are candy bars.
Candy, Mr. Fresh Candy Bar.
Yeah, candy bar. You get it from Walmart and the little self-checkout section and the little.
No, I smell
Oh, I smell
I'm gonna say I smell something.
Alright, let's taste this for the first time in my life.
I don't want to taste it.
What you say? Hey, bro, put that joint in your mouth. How's some on Brandon?
That's not what you was talking about, bro. Why did you say that?
Let's try it.
Damn. Oh, it was in the freezer. Oh, it's tooting Alice. It's tooting Alice. This shit is like zero, dog. No.
What the fuck were you thinking?
That shit is a zero.
Oh no.
Bro. No way. Can't beat it. Pass me that piece. I'm sorry. Let me
Now that's the next video.
Oh my goodness.
bro.
This is a zero. Oh my goodness, no. Hey.
Bro, no.
You're gonna need more tissue and roll, bro. That shit is nasty, yo. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you talking about airplane mode?
Oh, hope nobody call me.
For the second time.
That shit is nasty. See, yo.
He crying, yo.
Can't fade it, man.
I can't.
Zero.
Fucking zero, no.
I give it a 4.
What? It's so good.
I had the same. Oh.
Well, you guys don't know. They actually had.
No, what are you talking about? Overall, I like Fruity Pebble cereal.
Y'all don't never let me just talk to the camera. Anyways, like I was saying, they actually had
What you talking about? Who is they?
Why do you think we don't let you talk, bro? Look what you about to say.
Who's
No.
they?
We're trying to keep
We
it.
said a word.
Fuck y'all video.
But it's our video, cause you in
We're
it.
trying to keep the English.
Yeah. Shut up. My cheek. What I'm pointing to? Your cheek.
Who that?
Who?
That's my dad.
Oh boy.
Is it my dad?
Vin Diesel? I see a white t-shirt.
Oh. I seen somebody walking me on the back. I ain't know who that was. What's that, a bike? Oh, now I'm recording. My bad. The fuck?
Who's that? Oh, he on video. Don't you watch your videos? Anyways, back in
This video
action.
don't mean nothing. This nasty ass candy bar anyway.
Y'all got ass, bro. I just seen something.
Oh, I didn't even show it what it looked like.
Yes, you did.
No. Oh, I don't remember,
I
but.
locked it up about that. Oh, no, he's not coming. He's not coming. He's good.
Huh?
You can unlock it anyway.
Take a listen.
Look at it.
Mr. Dyson.
Yeah.
Nasty ass candy bar, bro. Here you go.
Oh my goodness, yo. My cheekbone.
What?
Which one?
He said bone.
Can we do the next one?
Anyway.
Y'all gotta be on point, bro.
Where we buy this from again?
Bruh, it's weak.
Walmart.
Okay.
For?
How much?
I immediately forgot.
I have a question.
One, that's weird. 140.
You like cereal? You like candy bars? But it don't go together.
that's my say,
But you can try it if you want to, be adventurous about it. You see, he gave it a 4 and Lee gave it a 0.
I like the cereal, but the candy bar ain't all that. I still
I
prefer
know.
the cereal.
Mr. Uchiha has a question.